I'm here today with a much anticipated video. You guys, I posted on Instagram stories, I believe, that I had found like my new Holy Grail favorite foundation, and I kind of was a little bit of a teaser. A lot of you guys thought it was the NARS foundation, the new NARS Naturally Radiant. It is not, although I do love this video. If you are new to my channel or you missed a few of my videos, I did do a first impressions, well, actually it's more of a review and demo of this foundation, so make sure you're subscribed. That way you know when all my new videos come out. Also hit that notification bell, and you can watch that video as well. It's already up. Today, we're going to review what I think is my new Holy Grail foundation. I've worn it about 5-6 times. I've worn it quite a bit. I literally can't stop using it, and I'm so blown away. It is drugstore, and it is so good. It looks natural on the skin if you want to have a like kind of no makeup day, but also it looks really beautiful if you are wanting to do full glam like I did today. So it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, you guys ready? Are you ready? You already know which one it is? Ready? Ready? Drum roll, please. The new Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Oh, I love you so much. I love you. It is their Brightening Complex SPF 20. I have two shades here. LN3, which is light neutral 3, and MN3, which is medium neutral 3. This foundation just blew me away. I did not expect to like it as much as I do. I love testing foundations. It's probably one of my favorite products to test is new foundations, new primers, but probably number one would be new foundations. And this retails for $12.99 at Ulta. I think it's like $14.49 on the Physicians Formula website. But Ulta has actually been having like a buy one get one 50% off, which is why I picked up two shades. You get 1 fluid ounce, which is pretty standard for most foundations. The only thing I don't like, which some people may love this, I personally don't like it, is I don't like the big chubby doe foot applicator. To me, I like that for a concealer. I do not like it for a foundation. I feel like it's going to be really hard to get all the product out as the bottle starts to get low. So I definitely prefer a pump, but if you like that kind of thick chubby wand, you may really like that. I personally don't. But this foundation is so beautiful. It lasts so nicely throughout the day. It doesn't get greasy. It doesn't cling to dry patches. It doesn't get oily on me. It doesn't accentuate pores, fine lines, peach fuzz. It looks like skin. You'll see in the demo, when I really don't have any other makeup on except for my brows, that it literally looks like my skin. It looks like I have the most perfected, beautiful skin. It doesn't look like foundation. I love it. Now this is classified as a medium to full coverage foundation. I say it's probably medium. When I think full coverage, I think of like the Huda Beauty faux filter. Like that is full coverage, like mask on your face, conceals everything. That is my point of reference for what full coverage is. I would definitely say this is medium coverage, but if you've never tried the faux filter and your idea of full coverage is maybe like the Estee Lauder Double Wear, then yeah, I could see that how this would be full coverage. To me, it's definitely like a medium coverage. You can build it up in places, which I really like. It does build really well. And you'll see in the video, I do build it up a little bit on my cheeks. There are 16 shades. There's not a ton of shades, but there are 16 shades. That's way more than Physicians Formula usually has for their foundation. 4 different categories of shade ranges. They have light, medium, dark, and deep. And within each range, they have 4 shades. So they have light, cool, light, warm, and then 2 like light neutral, or medium cool, medium warm, and 2 medium neutrals, and then, you know, so on and so forth. So you do have a pretty decent range. I do not know how deep they go. It looks like the deep shades are pretty deep, so hopefully you'll be able to find something that works for you as far as like light to deep skin tones. So at least we have some deep colors, we have some light colors, and we have some in between. The medium neutral 3, so it's the lighter of the neutrals. And it pretty much blends right into my self-tanned hand, like right there. Really love the tone of that. If you use self-tanner, it's like the perfect self-tanner tone. Right, and then I have light neutral 3. Probably pick up light neutral 4 as well for like my in-between shade, but today I just mixed the two, primarily used the medium neutral 3. I think that's like as dark as I'll be able to go because that's pretty dark for my skin tone. But it's a long-wearing, buildable, breathable foundation that provides lightweight, medium to full coverage with a healthy satin finish. It's compatible with all skin types, featuring an exclusive brightening complex and hyaluronic acid Whoop, whoop. I love when hyaluronic acid is in foundations. My skin just loves hyaluronic acid. Oh, it just loves it. So it's going to hydrate, brighten, and improve the appearance of their skin tone. And then there's vitamins A, C, and E for a flawless, healthy coverage. So hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, dermatologist approved, non-comedogenic, clinically tested, cruelty-free, and vegan. So, whew, that is a lot. So let's get into the demo and how it wears throughout the day. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up before you leave. And don't forget to give that little notification bell a tap. And now let's get into the demo and see how it wears throughout the day so you guys can know why I love this so much. So this is what I use pretty much every morning, the Makeup Forever Radiant Primer. And then that's gonna go all over my face. And then we're gonna put the Primed and Peachy all over my T-zone area. The Primed and Peachy, we're gonna pop that just in the center. I love this because it is pore filling and it does mattify a little bit. I don't think it's like the most mattifying primer, but it does just kind of smooth out the center of my face. You guys already know from the intro what foundation I'm talking about, but it's the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna love this and be blown away as much as I am. I have two shades. You can tell they're quite different. This one is LN3, so light neutral 3 and medium neutral 3. And I love them. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. I feel like the undertone is so beautiful. I feel like it just looks so great on the skin. Okay. The only thing I don't like about this packaging is I am not a fan of this like giant doe foot applicator. I know some people really like it. For me, I don't like it at all. I feel like when it comes down to then getting like the rest of the product out, it's gonna be really hard. I am a pump kind of gal, not super big into the giant doe foot applicator. But other than that, I think this is amazing. So this can be a little bit dark on me, especially if my self-tan has faded. I have a pretty fresh self-tan on, but I'm just gonna add just a little bit of this lighter shade. You can see between the medium and the light, it is quite different. Like it's quite drastic of a change. I do like to blend this out with my Beauty Blender. Not only does it give me a natural skin finish, this lasts all day long. Like it lasts from early in the morning when I put it on, because I tend to usually do my makeup between like 7:30 and 8:30 in the morning is when I normally do my makeup. And then when I go to take it off at like 8 o'clock at night, it still looks so good. This foundation, I just have like loved the way it looks in photos, in, you know, Instagram stories, you know, all the things that really matter in life. It looks fantastic in photography, videos, and then not only does it look good on camera, but it looks phenomenal in person. Like I wear this and I'm like, oh my gosh, my skin looks so stinking good. So and would definitely prefer this to have a pump, but it's okay. Now this is a little bit of like a thicker, you can see it's a little bit creamier, but it blends so nicely and so lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel like heavy or cakey. It just feels really, really nice on your skin, and it just lasts so beautifully. It's not going to be a super full coverage foundation, so if you love full coverage, like that's the only thing you will work with, this will not be the foundation for you. But if you like light, well, I think it's more than light. I'd say if you like medium coverage, you will love this. Light to medium coverage, you'll love this, because you definitely can make this pretty light coverage. I usually get about a medium coverage out of it. You can see there's just a tiniest bit of skin peeking through. But for the most part, it covered everything pretty well. As you guys know, if you are familiar with my foundation routines or my foundation first impressions, I have pretty normal skin, slightly oily in the T-zone sometimes, like a slightly combo. I feel like I keep saying that because I've been doing so many foundation videos lately. But if you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know that. So I want to make sure that everybody knows what kind of skin I'm working with. Like it looks so healthy. It's called the Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex. I definitely agree. My skin, it looks healthy. It looks glowy. and radiant without being like too dewy. You know, sometimes those glowy, dewy foundations just make you look really greasy or like your skin looks wet. This looks like skin. Like I look in the mirror and I would easily think like, oh, this is my skin. Like I have really perfect skin. It doesn't look like makeup. It doesn't cling to dry spots. It doesn't cling to pores. It doesn't settle into fine lines. And you can just see like my skin just looks so like healthy and radiant, but it looks like skin, which is my favorite type of foundation. And it looks like you have perfected, beautiful skin, and you just have like, oh, this foundation is just so good. I love it. And then I can touch my, look, I can touch my skin and it doesn't feel like makeup. Most glowy, radiant foundations, when you go to touch your skin, it kind of has that little bit of foundation feel. This doesn't. It just feels like my skin. I just love it so much. So I love it. You definitely can build it up, as you guys saw. I built it up on my cheeks that tend to be a little bit red. So yes, I'm actually going to take you throughout the day, even though I've been using this foundation so much. I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful it is on the skin. 9 o'clock today. I am a little bit later in my filming. I do have a workout today, so you're going to see what it looks like after a workout. And yeah, I will check back in just a few. Alright, so I finished up with my makeup. It is now 9:33. Everything just applies so beautifully over this foundation. You know, sometimes when you go to put on your concealer and then you set your under eyes, things can start to get a little bit cakey. This doesn't do that. It's just so beautiful, so natural looking. Obviously, I have a very natural look today. So yeah, it looks beautiful, full glam, or just a very natural makeup day. I love this foundation. So I'm going to take you throughout my day. We're going to keep checking in at least 2 or 3 times and see how long this wears, how it looks throughout the day. I am just blown away with it. It is like my new favorite Holy Grail foundation. I'm so excited I found it. So I will check back in a few hours. 1:30, so I have been wearing this for 4.5 hours. It's basically perfect. It really is. I haven't touched up. I'm not oily. I'm not greasy. I feel like these really bright lights are making my forehead look shiny, but it's actually like not shiny. Just looks so pretty. Also, the liner on my waterline is the Lottie London AM to PM liners, and look, it's like still totally there. My lips actually doing pretty good too. I can't stop wearing this is the Vivid Matte Liquid from Maybelline. This is in Gray Envy. Let me put a little bit more on. It's so pretty. Ugh, it's so perfect. I've eaten today and drank my coffee and water, and you can see it was still on about 4 hours later. So far so good. I love this foundation. It's so beautiful, and yeah, everything is looking fresh still. My blush, bronzer, highlight is all looking fantastic. So I'll check back in a few hours and we'll see how it's holding up. It is now 5 o'clock, so I've had this on for 8 hours. 8 hours. And look at it. Still looking great, still going strong. Look at that liner, and the waterline is still on there. 8 hours. Hello, Lottie London. Thank you so much. You are fantastic. Even my lip color is still kind of on. It's a little bit worn, but kind of stained a little bit. But this foundation is so beautiful. Look at how like beaming my highlight still is. Everything looks so good. The only part that has kind of looked a little bit like not my favorite is just where I've had my glasses, because I've been wearing my glasses for the last few hours. So it does kind of wipe off some of the foundation right there. But so I really hope you guys give this a go. If you like foundations that have some skincare, some added bonuses in there, the hyaluronic acid is fantastic for just hydrating and just making your skin look bright, and it's just so good. I love it. If you want something that lasts all day, that looks natural and beautiful on your skin, that you could wear in a no makeup look or a full glam look, this is a foundation for you. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you try it. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!